So what does the span port do for us? Well, really, it gives us a chance to receive a copy of every packet that passes through any device on our network. Most of the time, it needs to be a smart device. So it can't be something stupid like a hub, something programmable where we can span the entirety of all the ports that are receiving communication. In this case right here, what we see is the span port. It actually will receive packets from all of these guys right here. So copies of packets from each one of these hosts will be sent over to the span port. And by doing that, what we can do is now we can set up something of interest to either go through and monitor or detect certain things going on onto our network. In this case, they have a protocol analyzer right here that's set up to the span port, and you can also set up a span port to replicate copy traffic over to the IDS as well. And kind of like what we were just saying, this doesn't interrupt any traffic that's going on our network. It will passively copy the packets as they traverse the network and then spend time analyzing or munging through that ton of data that's coming through. It's interesting because last year, Forbes wrote a magazine article that, or they published an article that said that last year we used more data last year as consumers of the internet. We used more data last year than the previous 50 years combined, which is amazing if you think about it. But then you start to think about Netflix, Amazon Prime, streaming video being the big hogs of network bandwidth that we've grown to love and are glued to now instead of the TV. So that really makes sense. But monitoring traffic on the span port gives you an alternative to be able to do some sort of analysis of the data as it's coming across the network.